So, you wish to quit your 9 to 5 and want to start earning passive income through social media? I'm going to share you 6 key steps on making money with YouTube through the magic of automation. These are things that most of the creators don't want to disclose, but fear not, I got you covered. So, let's dive into these 6 key steps that can truly elevate your YouTube game. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. Pick something you're passionate about, and that has a solid demand. The more specific, the better. It helps you stand out in the crowd. Step 2. Automating your content creation process. Use video editing tools, automation scripts, and voice synthesis to make your life easier and your content creation smoother. Step 3. Consistent upload schedule. Set a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. It's a simple strategy that pays off in the long run. Step 4. SEO optimization. Boost your visibility by mastering search engine optimization (SEO). Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. It's a proven way to increase your video's discoverability. Step 5. Monetization strategies. Explore various ways to monetize your channel, from ads and sponsorships to affiliate marketing. Diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. Step 6. Analytics and adaptation. Follow your numbers constantly to understand what works and what doesn't. Adapt your content strategy based on viewer insights, trends, and feedback. It's an ongoing process that pays hugely in the end. There you have it. 6 key steps to kickstart your journey into making money on YouTube through automation. It's all about finding that sweet spot between passion and strategy. Go get it. Follow for more useful tips like this.